Hey, so today I need to go to the Barrio Kennedy, and I also need an ATM and a SIM card. So yeah, let's go try to do that. Right now I'm in Carrera Séptima, so 7th Avenue with 20th, 20th Street, so 20th and 7th. So this is like the main drag in downtown Bogota. I just happen to be staying near it, like a block away, so it's very convenient for me. So you can see all these like street sales. They sell everything from like secondhand stuff to like electronics, toys, pretty much everything.
Mango grandotota, delicioso el mango, mango. Dice que pasado de mango, mango, mango. Ya llegaron los mangos, cosecha, cosecha de mango, 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 mango. Oigan, el grandotote de aquí, no le haga agua a la boca. Mango, 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 cosecha de mango.
Maybe I could do a Tigo SIM card. I don't know if I should go Tigo or Claro. So over here you have your like choices of food restaurants. There's a pharmacy. There's pretty much everything here. The 7-Eleven here, like equivalent convenience store, is called Oxxo, same as in Mexico. So I'm nearby the Torre Colpatria Tower. And actually that's where I'm going, because that's where I heard there's an ATM. Okay, so here we are. So that one lets you take out 900,000, the Colpatria / Scotia, 900,000 in one shot. So what I'm looking for is I want to take out a little more. I think there's the green one. What's it called? I think it's called Servi Banca. That one might let you take out a little more. So let's go check it out. And that's the tower. That's the one that lights up at night, all nice. So Scotiabank lets you take out 900,000. What else? BBVA 300,000, and Bancolombia 300,000. 300,000 is like, I want to say $75. So then 900,000 is, you know, about 240, something like that. So now I need a SIM card. man. I'm at a mall called San Martin. I'm sure I could get a SIM card in there. Necesito una SIM. ¿Dónde podría conseguir eso?
Ya te colaboro.
Bueno,
Ah, no. Sí, con
buenas. Para un SIM, ¿dónde se puede conseguir? Sí.
¿Para cuántos días?
No sé. ¿30?
Sí.
¿Se puede hacer aquí? So these are little stands where you recharge your phone or pay for a plan. I was told to get a monthly package. Hola. ¿Paquete de un mes?
¿Está claro?
Sí. Muchas gracias. Okay, so we got it. Let me sit down. So it was 31,000 and 5,000. So about $10 to do the monthly plan. To be honest, I'm not really sure how many gigs, but hey, as long as I have something on the road, then you know, when I'm outside of Wi-Fi, as long as I have something for like emergencies, I'm good.